in this video I'll be unboxing a MagSafe silicone case from Apple for the iPhone 13 that just arrived as I'm editing this video. And the not MagSafe, just a normal a silicone solo loop for the Apple Watch. This is size 7, 41 millimeters. Also in iBase blue, so both of them are all in iBase blue, and I kind of like it. It's probably one of my favorite blues from Apple. And let's dive directly into unboxing. So this is the packaging directly shipped from Apple. The case I bought on Amazon. This packaging looks like an Apple one. As you can see, it's quite familiar. The little piece of the arrow. It's a classic Apple one. And let's open this. And it's all this boxing for one strap. I also ordered this same color silicone case for my iPhone 13 with MagSafe. This is iBase blue, and this is also iBase blue. This is my first Apple Watch I ever owned. It's not Apple Watch, but strap. It looks so classy. And here I have both of them. So let's start with unboxing the silicone case. And they got rid of a lot of plastic. This side thing, you don't need a knife for this. Ooh, nice. Apple ink. One apple bark away. Nice. And then you have some paper clips right here. I caught the cut of the rounded corners. The little cutout are the ports and the speakers and the microphone. This is a nice silicone case. You can also feel the Apple logo a little bit. It sticks out with some plastic on camera ink. Super nice. And has a square design, and the buttons are on a different shade of blue. Get the same shade of the Apple logo. So let's take this off. iPhone, you have Apple ink, and you have the MagSafe here. MagSafe is so dumb, and I didn't buy the MagSafe charger because I think it's a bit over the top with the 40-euro charger. Just so you know, if you put the MagSafe charger here, you can have a mark of around, because it's silicone, so you might have a mark around it because of the heat. And if you have the leather one, you also have a mark. But you use the USB port, it's fine. Or if you don't use it, because the problem with the MagSafe charging, it doesn't have a cooling system because it's so small, so it just clicks there and on the magnet, so it really heats it up. As I just use a normal Samsung wireless charger that I had a long time ago when I was a Samsung user, and it's slow, and if you just place in the middle, at this point, you just kind of know where to place in the middle. It has a little LED. See, the thing is, I wait for the LED to come up. And I had a few, maybe like 1 or 2 times that I got pushed up by accident on the side and never charged, actually a couple times. And here we have this, a lot of origami. Here we have this, it's 41, it's a sticker, 41 millimeters, and it's size 7. That's the size I have. I didn't print the thingy out. You can just take a piece of paper. And what I just took this, and then it's another piece of paper I took. Basically, I just took a math paper, just rip off some math paper from your math notebook, just put it around your arm and see the size you are. I bought the 41 millimeter because 45 I find a little bit too big for me, and it looks a bit funny, and it's also $30 more, and I don't think it's worth it. But you get a better screen, and it's heavier. So let's open this. It's all rounded. Okay. This is so nice, actually. It's almost like Echmas one. And this is a good working here. Rounded corners. I don't know why they do it. This is the new one with the base blue also, same color. The steps here, I really like all the steps. So 3 steps. This strap is super expensive, not because it's also high quality, but it's because they have to make a big stock of straps. And also I heard, if it's correct, you can return it and get your money, and not get your money back, but you can, anything at Apple you can get your money back after 14 days. But with this one here, you can return it and get another size if this one doesn't fit you. So here you just rip this off, it's so nice. And here it's quite elastic. It has like this hard bit on the top and bottom. I don't know why the middle one is sticking out a little bit. Just put in the comments below if you have an Apple Watch and if that's normal. So you have a little stamp of 7. And then this one here just a 41. A little cutout on the bottom. Looks quite nice, and I like the color. It looks like it's the same. It's both the same color, but it looks slightly different, let's say. And it's very elastic. What I like about the silicone straps is it is waterproof, so you can swim with it. And if you wash your hands, if you have a leather one, you have to always be like worried if you wash your hands, I don't like it. And also it's more breathable. And I also like you have like buttons, so it's all like, you know, and it's also like more special. It's like pretty much the only like smartwatch brand that has without the button. It's quite cool, and I really like this color. And my iPhone just came as I'm editing this video, so I'm going to do a review and unboxing that like right now after I finish doing this editing. And I really like this. I hope I wear this watch. I can't wait to use this stuff. And bye. Except this one more thing. Oh yeah, and there's also a base blue. I just missed this on this side here. And please don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye. See you next.